Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to open .doc files, then watch this video. So these .doc files were phased out by Windows after 2007, and in place of them, it was the .docx extension that was in use. So if we still have the .doc file and we wish to learn how to open it, it's very simple. Just right click on it and then click on open with, and you can click on Word. It should open on Word. Now if it doesn't open on Word, and I can also show you that it is a .doc file, go to properties and you can see that it is a .doc file here, not a .docx, which are the new files. So if it's not being able to open on Windows, because in Windows is a paid not being able to open on Word because Word is a paid subscription, then the next best option for you is to open it on the Google Drive. So if you have Google Drive, you can upload the said file, okay, the .doc file, and click on open. Now it should take some while. Okay, it is already uploaded, and then we will just click on open. And you see Google Drive should be able to open it for you. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.